Diversification is key to successful investing. It's a strategy that helps you manage risk and maximize returns by spreading your investments across various assets. It means not putting all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying, you ensure that the performance of one investment doesn't overly impact your entire portfolio. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a fantastic way to diversify your portfolio. They offer a simple and efficient way to gain exposure to a wide range of assets. Think of an ETF like a basket of stocks. Instead of buying individual stocks, you buy a share in a basket that holds many different stocks. When you buy an ETF, you're investing in a collection of companies from different industries. This means you're not overly reliant on the performance of a single sector. This spreads out your risk. If one industry faces a downturn, the impact on your overall portfolio is minimized. For example, instead of buying stock in just one tech company, which can be risky, you can buy an ETF that tracks the entire technology sector. This way, you're investing in multiple tech companies at once. If one company in the ETF doesn't do well, it won't drastically affect your investment. Others in the ETF might pick up the slack, balancing out the performance. ETFs are very popular with both beginner and experienced investors.